In this video, you'll learn how to swap BNB to BNB Smart Chain on Trust Wallet. This process will allow you to manage your cryptocurrency assets effectively within the application. Begin by opening your web browser. Ensure that you are using a browser that supports extensions, as you will need to access the Trust Wallet extension for the next steps. Next, locate the Trust Wallet extension in your browser. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the browser window. Click on the Trust Wallet icon to open the extension. Once the Trust Wallet extension is open, look for the option labeled Swap. This can usually be found on the main dashboard of the extension. Click on Swap to proceed to the swapping interface. After you click on Swap, the interface will display options for selecting the cryptocurrencies you wish to exchange. Look for the section that says From to begin the swap process. In the From section, click on the drop-down menu to select the cryptocurrency you want to swap. Here, you will choose BNB as the asset you are converting from. Ensure that you have sufficient BNB in your wallet before proceeding. Next, you will need to choose the network for the swap. Look for the option to select a network. It is crucial to choose BNB Smart Chain to facilitate the swap correctly. Click on the appropriate option to confirm your network selection. After selecting the network, scroll down to find the option labeled BNB Smart Chain. Click on this option to specify that you want to swap your BNB Smart Chain. Now, you will need to select the token you wish to swap into. Click on the Select a Token option, which will open a list of available tokens. From this list, click on BNB to specify what you are swapping into. Following this, choose another token that you want to swap. This step may involve selecting a specific cryptocurrency that you wish to receive in exchange for your BNB. After selecting the desired token, look for an option to choose the crypto coin you want. This is where you finalize your selection for the swap. Make sure the details are correct before moving on. Finally, click on the swap button to initiate the transaction. The system may take a moment to process your request, and you should see a confirmation message once the swap is complete. Ensure that you check your wallet to verify the successful transaction. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.